Let's talk about Dogecoin, or Doge. Similar to Bitcoin, Dogecoin is a peer-to-peer open-source cryptocurrency created in 2013 by ex-Adobe product manager Jackson Palmer and ex-IBM engineer Billy Marcus. Currently, it is the fourth largest cryptocurrency with a market cap of just a few billions less than Binance Coin, at around 90 to 91 billion. But actually, it has more humble beginnings. It was initially created as a joke. Jackson Palmer created the coin idea as a satire, which is why he chose Doge to be the mascot, really. He was then approached by Billy Marcus, who wanted to create a digital currency and offered to build the software behind Dogecoin, and the rest is, as they say, history. Dogecoin is based on Lucky Coin and Litecoin and uses the script technology. Essentially, script doesn't use SHA-256 like Bitcoin and doesn't require ASICs or application-specific integrated circuits. Instead, you can just mine using your CPU or GPU, so it's basically meant to be more accessible to the broader community and easier and faster to mine. It is still a proof of work coin, which is also the concept behind Bitcoin and a lot of other coins. Essentially, proof of work means that you need to spend a large but feasible amount of computing power, which is meant to prevent bad actors from getting involved. So far, Dogecoin has not been hacked or taken over by bad actors. There have been security issues, but they're not caused by the underlying technology, but rather the handling of it, as in exchanges or wallets. Now, you may ask, who is currently working on Dogecoin? And, well, true to its relaxed communal nature, it only has 3 developers working on it, and they're all part-time volunteers. And this is really why Dogecoin is unique. It has a community around it. Unlike most other coins, people can have fun with it and even do good deeds. It's the people's coin. It's the fun version of Bitcoin. Its whole concept, its whole appeal is for the broader public, the average person. Shameless self-promotion time! If you like the video, make sure you let YouTube know. Press the like button below and subscribe to help the channel grow. Alright, let's get back to Dogecoin. What do you use it for? It probably comes as no surprise, but Dogecoin is meant to be used by the community. So far, it has mostly been used for tipping content creators on Twitter and Reddit, although there's also charities like Socks for the Homeless and Doge Pizza that use Reddit to raise money for good causes. Again, because of its small development team, I think it's unlikely that we'll see any major developments with it, at least for now. So, how many Dogecoin tokens are there? Well, the circulating supply right now is about 130 billion. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, Dogecoin is an inflationary coin, meaning that the mining rewards remain the same and there is no supply cap. With Bitcoin, the mining reward is halved every 4 years, but that's not the case for Dogecoin. Every minute, a single lucky miner gets 10,000 Dogecoins, which is worth approximately $7,000 as of 8th of May 2021. Now, the big question, why buy Dogecoin? To be honest, there's not a lot of good reasons. It is currently experiencing a huge surge in price and popularity, but obviously it is highly speculative, and while a lot of people have made money, there's also quite a few that have lost money. If you want to gamble with your finances, that's probably your coin. Personally, I avoid it simply because it's, well, a hype coin. It does have wide appeal, but given its inflationary nature and few uses, I just don't see the long-term value in holding it, at least right now. In the short term, you may double your money, but you can also lose like 90 or 95% of it. All I'm gonna say is make sure that you understand the risks if you buy Dogecoin. Okay, so we've seen the massive surge, almost 15,000% or 150 times year to date. But the question remains, what moves the price and is it all just hype? In this case, yes, it's all just hype. My best guess is that the surge in Bitcoin had a knock-on effect on the cheap altcoins, and that started the rise. Then, add Elon Musk to the mix, throw in a few other influential investors and billionaires, and simply watch it explode. The price target for 28th of April was 42 cents because 420. Its price is strongly correlated to Elon Musk's tweets. In fact, tonight, Elon Musk is meant to appear on SNL, and people think that this will propel Doge beyond the dollar. And the funny thing is, it actually could, but that just shows you how insane it is to try to analyze any of it. If, for some reason, you're still thinking that buying Dogecoin is a good idea, how can you buy it? Well, You can buy it on Binance, Coinbase, and it was recently released on eToro. You can also buy it through Robinhood, but they don't allow you to withdraw it. They don't give you access to your Doge wallet, which seems a bit dodgy to me personally. My top choice would be Binance. They respect your rights, they don't exploit you, they give you access to your coins, and that's why they usually get my business. If you're interested, check out the link in the description. Before I close off the video, I just want to say that I'm not trying to trash Dogecoin or the community. It's funny to see it grow and to see it become larger than most banks or even Coinbase. But I still think that this is a horrible coin to own if you're doing it for the profit. It's fun to see it, but it's literally gambling, so we need to be careful. Anyway, that was Dogecoin in a nutshell. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Check out my playlist Crypto for Beginners for more videos like this. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share it with your friends and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.